Hi, I'm Izzy and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video we are going to talk about my February makes and my plans for March. Before going into my March plans, I thought I'd give you a very quick recap of everything I made in February. I don't do makes videos anymore. Not sure why, I just don't, because usually I would have talked about all of my makes in individual videos. But then it occurred to me that maybe you don't watch all of my videos. So I'm going to start my plans videos moving forward with just a very quick recap of my makes, and then I can link down in the description box below any videos about the specific makes I'm going to talk about. So the first thing I did in February was a silver bag. I had high hopes for this bag. It did not turn out quite as I wanted it to, but it was a learning experience. I managed to salvage the hardware from the bag and bits and pieces of the faux leather, and yeah, it's, it is what it is. So that was the first thing, and I do have a video all about the bag, so I will put that down below. The second thing I made was way more successful, and it was a plaid flannel shirt that I made in collaboration with Carol from So Carol and Katinka from The Seamstress at the Cottage. It was a Vernon shirt I made with a flannel from Minerva.com. Absolutely love my shirt. I've worn it a ton on its own and over turtlenecks and t-shirts as a layering piece. Yes, so I completed that one early in the month. So I've been wearing it for a good 3 to 4 weeks now, and big success. Next, I made 3 new garments for my Think Pink box. So if you watched my Think Pink 24 unboxing and make video, which I will link to below, I was afraid to cut into my box fabric right away, so I made a wearable muslin of the mauve skirt and then made a t-shirt, a Concord tee, to go with it. Absolutely love that outfit. Obviously, it's winter here, so I haven't worn the outfit yet, but cannot wait for the weather to warm up so that I can. And then I cut into my beautiful fabric and made another mauve skirt. Now, in the picture I took, I'm styling it with a blue Concord tee. And based on all of the feedback that I got from all of you wonderful people, I think the reason why that outfit just didn't do it for me was the color of the shirt, not the skirt. So I'm going to try and style that one with a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt, and I think that will work a lot better. I'm probably going to have to make a new white tee because I tried to wear my white Concord this week and not sure how that happened, but there's a huge stain right here. Can't wear that one anymore. So, but I do have some white jersey that I can make a new one with. And then finally, I made a lanyard with in a collaboration with Natita from So Natural Dane, and that was part of the BHM Pattern Designers Challenge and the series of collabs that Natita's held over on her channel. I love my lanyard. I wore it to work. My badge for the building fits in it perfectly. I'm thinking I'm going to be making more of those. And then finally, a make that you haven't seen yet because I just finished it. So today, I'm filming this on the 28th of February, and I just finished this bag over the weekend. So let me go get it and show it to you. And there you go. This is the Sky bag by Lavender and Twine. Isn't she pretty? It's in silver faux leather, and you can see I put my handmade little decoration on there. It's lined in a beautiful pink cotton. It's got a magnetic snap, I guess, to close it. It's got credit card slots on the inside, and just one big pocket fits a phone. It'll probably fit, my phone. What am I thinking about? Some money, probably not a full wallet, but I can use the credit card slots for the cards. Oh, sunglasses is what I was thinking. Now, the chain I put on it is a tiny bit short. I was hoping to wear this like as a crossbody bag. For now, I put this chain on it, but I'm probably gonna try and get myself a much longer one so I can wear it on the side. But I absolutely love this bag, and the lavender and twine instructions are really, really good. Yeah, highly recommend this bag. It wasn't difficult to make at all, and it's a very satisfying little bag. So I could also have made the strap from the faux leather and just made it the right size. When I make this again, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make a leather or a faux leather strap for my bag. But yeah, very cute little bag. All right, so let's talk about my plans for March. So I have 5 plans for this month. 5 things that are going on the to-do list, and I'd say 4 of them I'm really committed. The 5th one will get squeezed in if time allows. So the first thing is another collaboration. I swear 2024 so far for me has been so much fun because I've had so many collaboration with amazing creative people out there. So my first collab in the month of March is with Carol again from So Carol. She has basically challenged me to make a Big 4 pattern. Now, you all know that I do not like Big 4 patterns. They typically draft for a B cup. I'm a double D cup. And the whole tissue paper situation and needing to trace, plus they take a lot of room to store, so I don't have many of them, but I do have a few. And the goal of this collaboration is to try and fit a Big 4 pattern for my bust. Carol's gonna do the same thing because she's been having issues lately fitting Big 4 patterns to her bust as well. So together we are going to try and banish the bust drag lines. So I'm not going to tell you which pattern we're making, and I don't yet know what fabric I'm going to use, but that collaboration video is going to come out on both of our channels on the 17th of March. So that's number 1, and that's something that I must get done. Project number 2 is the So Frugal makes or video for the So Frugal 24 challenge that Ruan from the Yorkshire Sew Girl and Sam from Frugalissima is hosting or are hosting on Instagram. There will be a blogger tour or vlogger tour to support the challenge, and my video is coming out on the 19th of March. So again, this is a non-negotiable. I have to get that project done, the research done, and the pattern done, because my video's coming out on the 19th. I don't want to talk about just my plans. I want to show what I made, and hopefully there's going to be a little, I don't want to call it a tutorial, but something new I'm going to try. So I'm going to keep that a surprise, but yes, that's definitely a plan I have to get done. The only thing I will say is that my frugal make is going to be for Marianne, so not for me. Project number 3 is another collaboration. This time I'm collaborating with Janine from Janine Sews. She is a vlogger from Calgary, Canada, and her and I have bonded over our almost or very similar body type, very similar style. We like the same things, and we are both passionate hockey fans. I love it. I love it. So her and I are collaborating, and I don't think it's a big secret. What we're doing, I'm not going to say again pattern or fabric, but what we are doing together are cargo pants. So during my Friday Sews video, I don't know, a week or two ago, I mentioned I was going to try to make some cargo pants fit me. Well, those are it. So I've made a muslin already. I have a good idea of what the adjustments are that I need to make. So I will get started on my final version, hopefully very, very soon. And I'm very excited about doing this with Janine. It's going to be so much fun. My fourth project that I really want to get done is going to be my Think Pink project for the box number 25. I actually received the box today, so I know what the fabric is. It's going to be a challenge for me to get anything done for myself with that fabric. I'm not going to say any more than that. You're going to see it in the unboxing and make video, but I am struggling with that one. So we'll need to give that some thought and decide what I'm making, and then hopefully by the end of the month of March, I'm going to have a video out for all of you. Now, number 5, which is an optional for me, it'll depend on how well the other 4 go. I want to make the Wyman Sloper by Cashmerette. So this is a dress sloper, and the reason why I want to get it made is because as an all-access member of the Cashmerette Club, I get free access to Sloper School, which is going to be a 9-week synchronous, which means live but virtual class that Jenny from Cashmerette is putting on to show us how to fit our sloper and then how to hack it in a million different ways to make garments that fit you perfectly. She's also going to show us how to take our sloper and compare it to big 4 or indie patterns we want to make, so that we have to do like almost no adjustments, like, and fingers crossed, no muslin. So what we could do is compare the pattern pieces of the pattern to our sloper and make adjustments on the paper pattern before we even sew anything. So I really want to take part in this class live. I believe it starts on the 18th of March. So I'm not going to have my sloper perfectly finished and fit probably by the end of March, but I'd like to start it in March and then I'll finish it in April. And then I think April is going to be, yeah, I think I'm going to take at least half the month of April to hack my sloper and make myself a few tops, because I have no interest in making myself a dress. But if I can manage to fit the top half of the dress perfectly, then I can use those pattern pieces to fit tops and blouses that will also fit me perfectly, which is, oh my goodness, that would be amazing. So there you have it. Those are my plans for the month of March. I am feeling a little bit worried, concerned about my ability to get all 5 of them done. Just because I think the cargo pants, yeah, I still need to fit them and then cut them and sew them, and there are a million pieces to those pants, so those will take a while. And then fitting the big 4 t-shirt, I might need to make more than 1 muslin to get the fit right. So we shall see. I think these are pretty ambitious goals for the month. But, you know, who knows? You know, with any luck, I might be able to take a few days off. I haven't had a vacation since Christmas. I think I'm due. I think I should take at least a few long weekends and spend some time sewing in the month of March. All right, so I think that'll do it for me today. I would love to know what you think of my plans for the month of March. What are your plans for the month? Do you make plans for your sewing, or are you more of a fly by the seat of my pants kind of sewist? I would love to know. Put that in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.